Alright, hello. A warm welcome a bit to everybody. Today, my group will be presenting our internal design project, which is under the theme of water conservation. So, into the introduction, what we've proposed for our IDP project is a smart rainwater harvesting system. So, the goals is to have it be modular, integrated, make use of centrifusion, and also be cost effective. Now, this ties in very well to our problem statement, which is going to be cost of installation, minimal space for installing a large water storage tank system or storage device. So this is also going to be applicable in places with poor water access or water scarcity, where they could have water supply, but due to the municipals, it could be intermittent, or the water coming in could be very contaminated. And finally, we also have to solve the issues of water leakage leading to water wastage, which is also not going to be great when you're already having water scarcity issues. So for our design process, we started with the problem analysis. We took a look at the problem statements and we roughed out some of the reasons why this could be occurring. And after that, we proceeded to a literature review to try to look into some of the research that's already been done on the problems and the possible solutions. And after that, we've proposed our own solutions to try and come up with different methods of overcoming the issues that we've already analyzed in our problems analysis. So during this solution, we did come up with we come up with all sorts of designs such as automated drone inspections, pipe crawler robots, or even an internal pressure sensor which you could just drop into the piping system and it'll flow around and detect any drops in water pressure which would indicate leaks. However, of course, a lot of these are just proposals, and in the end, we have to evaluate and select the final and more practical solution. So we will discuss that in the next slide. And after that, after we selected a solution, we went on to project planning and design. So planning will include the purchasing, your time management, etc., project management and finances. And after the design and prototype making, we move on to testing and data collection. So after testing the data collection, we will know that if our proposed solution is suitable and or not. Otherwise, we can move back into project planning and design to make further changes if required. So for our final product and testing, before our final product we've come up with is an integrated multi-tank filter system. So the integrated tank solves the issue of having multiple large storage tanks required where you need to store water for very long or need to store water for a buffer. And the the modular filtration system helps solve the cost issues of having expensive proprietary filters, where our modular system is very easy for the end user to maintain, so its maintenance cost is down, and also can be outfitted with filter media, so that sediment filters, carbon filters, sterilizers of any brand. It's because the each module is customizable, so you can fit in whichever kind of filters you like, so you don't need to depend on a particular manufacturer to get the filter media. And also we have an IoT based smart filter control with cloud integration. So there's going to be an online dashboard on your mobile app where you can monitor the state of the system, how much water you're having, etc. And that makes use of the centrifusion, all the water level flow sensors that we have integrated into the tank, where it will automatically send out any usable water after it's been filtered and validated that it's safe for consumption out into the water into the main system for user consumption. And lastly, we also have our innovative leak detection system, where you can see in that piping, along the pipe exit piping of the pipe, and as well as beneath our modular filter system at the fittings, we have a innovative two-wire solution where if any water is leaking, it will short the wire connections, and the system will be able to detect that and inform the user that a leak is occurring, so they can take proper action as well. And that is all for our integrated design project. I think overall we were able to achieve most of the problem statements laid out in the beginning in terms of cost, effectiveness, solution, and also solving the issues that we actually were given. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.